Hey everyone, welcome to Simplilearn's YouTube channel. In this session, we will learn about conditional formatting in Excel. But before we begin, make sure that you have subscribed to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit that bell icon to never miss an update from Simplilearn. Now without further ado, let's get started with our one-point agenda, that is conditional formatting in Excel. So conditional formatting is a method to visualize your worksheet. We already have the charts in Excel to visualize our Excel sheets in graphical form, but what if you had to see or visualize the data in your worksheet as it is? So that is where the conditional formatting comes handy. Now let's get back to the Microsoft Excel and try to implement some conditional formatting. Now we are on the Excel worksheet. This particular dataset is based on a store. Now we have various columns in this particular dataset. We have row ID, order ID, customer name, etc. And finally we have quantity, discount and profits. Now let's go to profits. Let us imagine that we have provided this particular store with a target of minimum 15% profits. Now let us find out the stores that have hit the 15% target and the ones which did not. So for that, let us select the entire column. Now you can find the conditional formatting option in the home toolbar, and in that ribbon, the ribbon with styles has the conditional formatting option. Click on that and you have various options over here, highlighting the cells, top bottom rules, data bars, data scales and icons. So data bars are actually the bar graphs which highlight themselves on each and every cell if you implement them. And these are the color scales. If you want to implement some colors, you can go through that. And if you want to represent your cells with icons, you can also do that. For now, let's highlight the cells. So select that, and inside this, select the greater than option. And here you can provide the percentage, that is 15%. And the cells or the stores which hit the target should be highlighted with the green color. And select OK, and there you go. You have your stores that hit the 15% target and the ones which did not hit the 15% target. Now if we want to highlight the ones which did not hit the 15% target, you can highlight them with the color red. So conditional formatting, highlight the cells less than 15% with color red and text dark. And there you go, it's done. Now let us consider another example. So this particular example is based on train dataset, and here we have the passenger ID, survived, passenger class, name, etc. Now we have a train accident incident over here. Now 1 is indicated that they are alive and 0 is indicated that they are not alive. Now let us use this column and conditional formatting. Highlight the cells containing the text as 1 with color green. Okay. And highlight the cells that contain text 0 as red, that indicates they are not alive. And let us select the icons. Now we have the icons over here. The X indicates that they are not alive and the green tick mark indicates that they are alive. Now that is how you use conditional formatting in Excel. With that, we have come to an end of this tutorial on conditional formatting in Excel. If you have any queries regarding the session, then please feel free to let us know in the comment section below, and our team of experts will be happy to resolve all your queries. Until next time, thank you, stay safe and keep learning.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.